How's it going, guys? It's me, Zane, here at Spirit Motorcycles, Triumph, San Jose. I just wanted to show you a tour. We reworked both of the showrooms a lot, so I'm going to show you a couple things. First, we're going to start with our clearance table that's all the way over here in the corner by the mirror. We have a bunch of stuff. We got helmets, hats, levers, trim items. You got bumpers, seats. We got Alpine Star boots, full-fledged Alpine Star boots, all discounted, pretty steep. So if you come in, like one of the items from this table, come talk to me or Justin at the table, and then we'll see what we got for discounts for you. We also have a bunch of Indian clothing, a bunch of Indian apparel that's new. I'm not gonna go through it all, it's gonna take like an hour, but if you wanna check out all this new stuff that we got, you're open to. And then over here we have our helmet wall, okay? I know there's some holes missing. We're gonna have a bunch of new helmets pretty soon, but we organized it from Indian, Shoei to HJC. And what you'll notice is we got small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL on the top. That way it's easy for you guys to come in and try on helmets on your own if you need to, and whatnot. But like I said, we're gonna have more HJCs coming, and we're gonna restock some of the Indian ones, okay? So come with me. We got a little setup here for some Alpine Star, and then this section right here is all clearance, all of it. You got CanAm leather jackets, you got a bunch of Indian shirts, long sleeve shirts, a bunch of women's apparel and vests and stuff like that. Right next to the Noru, which is very affordable motorcycle equipment for first time riders. And I have so much inventory. I got Scouts, I got Chiefs, I got more Scouts, I got Challengers and Pursuits, a lot. I know you want that Power Plus engine, okay? More Scouts, I got Scout 60s, I got Chieftains, I got a nice, oh my goodness, look how pretty she is. I got Roadmasters, it just keeps going. Not to mention, I have redone all the walls for Indian as well. You're looking at performance parts and lighting. We got luggage on this wall, okay? We got all the trim pieces, mostly for the Scout, because there's a bunch of trim pieces for the Scout, okay? All here, engine guards, and all of our seats. So when you come in, just ask for me or Justin. You know how it is. We also got a bunch of Rikers, so if someone in your family is getting a motorcycle, you don't feel like getting an M1 or being on two wheels, you could totally ride with them and join them. From 9 Skyline, go to Alice's, take a ride, get some wind in your face all the way down 1, the PCH, okay? And we even got the bigger boys over there, the F3s, the RTs and whatnot. I got a bunch of Triumph accessories on the wall. I got bezels, I got levers, I got heated grips, I got different pedals, I got bobbins, I got handlebars, I got it all. I got a bunch of mirrors. Not to mention, I just got a bunch of shipment of Optimate tenders, okay? And then these are literally all our seats on the walls, except for a couple that are on the clearance table that I'm going to show you right now. All right, and this is our Triumph showroom discount area. Most of it is a bunch of trim options and stuff like that, but everything behind me, the Revit, the Triumph jackets, it's all on discount as well, including the other side. So we even have some top boxes here that you could buy on discount. And it's right here, you could take a look. Most of the stuff is for the modern classics in this pile. We also got all our brown seats we're doing a discount on. And that's everything in store, okay? And I have a bunch of gloves. You can see the whole wall is just Triumph gloves and a bunch of Triumph luggage. You saw the videos about dry bags, backpacks, and stuff like that, so I don't even need to tell you anymore about those. So you know where we are. 460 Meridian Avenue, Spirit Motorcycles, Triumph, San Jose, 408-571-600-95126, San Jose, California. There's Saddle Rack Drive, just in case you need the other street. My name's Zane, you know how it is. Come on in, stop by, call, email. You can email, you can text us on the upper right, you can contact us anyway. I'm going to say our number again just because I feel like it. 408-571-6000. My extension is 200. Sales is 100 and service is 300. Have a good one. Be safe. Bye-bye.